Hi, this is Deshmukh Gajanan. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. My channel is completely devoted to the study of English language and literature. The name of my channel is Journey of English. I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel for the complete preparation of English language. In today's session, we are going to deal with a topic of English grammar. The title of the topic is suffix. This is an important topic. First of all, we will try to understand what a suffix is. I will write the definition of a suffix on the board. Please have a look at the board. A suffix is a set of letters placed at the end of a word to make a new word. My dear friends, this is the definition of a suffix. What does a suffix mean? Suffix is a set of letters placed at the end of a word to make a new word. What do we do with a word? We add something after the word. After adding it, we create a new word that is known as a suffix. So, here is a list of a few important suffixes in English language. We will study various examples of these suffixes. First one is ly. The word is slow, slow, slow. We can add the suffix ly to this word and create a new word. Slow, we can add ly. So, the newly created word is slowly. So, ly is an example of a suffix here. The word, another word is sad, sad. We can add ly to the word sad and create a new word. Sadly is a new word which is created by us. So, here in both these words, ly is an example of a suffix. We will study other examples. Ian is an example of a suffix. Look at the word soft, soft, soft. So, we can add ian to the word soft. We can add the suffix ian to the word soft and create a new word. The new word which is created is soften, hard, harden, hard, hard. We can add en to it and create a new word. Another important suffix is ship, ship. So, look at the word hard. We can add the suffix ship to the word hard and create a new word. The new word which is created is hardship. So, ship is an example of a suffix here. Friend, look at the word friend. We can add ship to it and create a new word. The new word is friendship. So, ship is another example of a suffix. Dom, see here, dom, king, kingdom. We can add the suffix dom to the root word king and create a new word. That word is kingdom. So, dom, kingdom. So, here dom is an example of a suffix. Star, star, star. We can add the word dom to the word star and create a new word. The newly created word is stardom. So, very simple, my dear friends. Another important example of a suffix is al. So, see here al. We will take the word music. We can add the suffix al to the word music. We can form a new word. The new word is musical. Musical. In this way, this is very simple. Now, we will study a few other examples of suffixes. ness. Another example of a suffix is ness. So we will take the word happy, happy, happy. If we add the suffix nes to the word happy, then we can create a new word. That word will be happiness. Look at the word happiness, HAPPINESS. Okay, Y will get converted into I here, and we have added the suffix NESS, ness here. Happiness, again bitterness, sweetness, okay, heaviness, sweet. We can add NESS. So sweetness is a new word. What have we done here? The original word is sweet. We have added the suffix ness to it and created a new word. That word is sweetness. Now we will study another suffix, that is WISE, wise. So wise is the word here, means it is a suffix here. So we will take one example, clockwise, clockwise. Okay, the word is clock. We have added the suffix wise to it and created a new word, that is clockwise. Another important suffix is FUL, full. So we will take the word sorrow, 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 FUL, full. So full is the example of a suffix. The original word is sorrow. By adding FUL to the word sorrow, we have created a new word, that is sorrowful. Playful, helpful. See here, HELP, help. We can add the suffix FUL to it and create a new word, that will be helpful. So FUL is an example of a suffix. Another important suffix is LESS, less. We will take the root word life, LIFE, life. We can add the suffix LESS to the word life. We have formed a new word, that is lifeless. Meaning, MEANING, meaning. We can add the suffix LESS, less to the word meaning and form a new word, that is meaningless. Another important suffix is able, ABLE, able. We will take the word reason, REASON, reason. We can add the suffix to the word reason. We can build a new word. That new word is reasonable, reasonable. Reason, reasonable. So in this way we have studied an important topic of English grammar. It was suffix. So what does suffix mean in short? Suffix is a set of letters placed at the end of a root word to make or to form a new word. I hope that you must have understood